Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Ofente and this is week 2 of trying to become a chess master and a consistently profitable trader. Let's get started. Alright, so we did manage to analyze for the new week, and we finally found an entry on Nasdaq. We can see that the market was in this bearish trend here, and we broke out of this trend line here, and now we are retesting this very nice level here. It's very nice support, and we looking to ride it all the way to the top. So yeah, on UJ, let me go to the 4 hour. On UJ, we can see that we're still having the same analysis that looks like last week. So I'm still going to be waiting for the same thing. Let's break this retest of this level and then a continuation to the top side. So as long as the market is not pulling back, I'm not going to be entering anything on UJ. The only time I'm going to look to enter is if we break above this level or if we come back to this level to retest. All right, so that is all from me. On the charts. So what I'm gonna go do now is that I'm gonna go and get ready for cycling. Right now the time is 8:30 and I'm gonna go and get ready for cycling with the guys. We are meeting today again at 10, and then from next week actually we're gonna start meeting on Saturday at 10 a.m. as well. So it's gonna be every Saturday 10 a.m. So if you stay in Rustenburg, maybe around Safari, Protea Park in Geloot, Kashani, we meet at Berser, we meet at Wipero there at 10 a.m. So if you guys want to join us, if you have a bicycle, you can come. You are more than welcome to join us. You don't need anything really. I'm just going to send you a form for you to fill, and then like an indemnity form, so that, we are not held liable for if anything ever happens to you. So yeah. I will catch you guys later and keep you guys updated on the trade that I'm currently in on Nasdaq. So, hijacked somebody's helmet. Yeah. So, I can't switch gears on my days because I'm holding on with the left. I'm holding on with the left. Anyway, those guys are gone. Those guys are gone, bro. These guys are gone. Look at BT. The cameraman getting creative today. The cameraman is getting creative today. Look at this, no hands, bro. But just or else I'm gonna have it on camera. Bring it on. Ding 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 yeah.
I wanna shine, bitch. I want less bands. I want more bands. I wanna see everything. I wanna do many things. You cannot touch me. You cannot heal me. You cannot hug me. I want my silly shit.
Hey. We are here. We just finished. Josh is dead. What's up, cameraman? The photo guy. This guy got not the picture very nice. Cheese boy. Josh, still alive, boy. Bro's barely alive. The thing is, not met the aeroplane. When you can't handle it, Yamufenya, Joe. Hard boy. Now met aeroplane, Joe. So yeah, that's probably it from us today.
We'll see you guys probably next week.
Good morning, guys. It is a Tuesday. It is currently 15 minutes past 6, right? So I'm about to get on the charts. What happened with Nasdaq yesterday? Actually, let me show you guys what happened. All right, so here on the Nasdaq, you can see that we were in a little bit of profit, right? The market came to this level and pushed up a bit, and then once it started pushing up. What I did, which was pretty smart, is that I protected my trade. So I put my stops at break even, and then it stopped me out at break even, which means I lost nothing yesterday, right? So I was kind of like being cautious because it was a Monday. So I don't really like to trade on Mondays because of my what's this? My track record, my Monday track record, where I don't really do well on Mondays. So since I saw that, I was like, okay, let me just be cautious with this trade. So I put my stops at break even, so that I do not lose anything, right? And I'm glad I did, because I would have lost money, but it's cool. I'm gonna reanalyze now, and then I'm gonna update you guys as the day goes on about what I'm looking out for on Nasdaq. On UJ, it ended up wicking back to that zone. It gave us a wick into the zone, but we don't enter off of the wick on currency pairs. We wait for my entry confirmation. So yeah, that is all for now. I'm gonna reanalyze Nasdaq and then see what I can expect during the day. But for now, this is all that I have, right?
All right, it is currently 10 minutes to 4. I just left the office. I'm going to the gym. I'm not gonna look at the charts right now. Even at the gym, I don't think I'm gonna look at the charts. I'll look at the charts when I get home, because last, if I can remember properly, Nasdaq was not at a good level, or it was in between levels. So I'm not even gonna bother. But anyway, hopefully I get a good workout, and hopefully you guys can see me, because I don't know how the lighting is gonna look. But anyway.
What's going on, guys? It's FX Coach, your mentor, back again with another banger, I'm just joking. Hi guys, it's me. So I'm just giving you guys an update on what happened on the charts. I think, yeah, it's actually quite interesting, because I didn't trade yesterday. I didn't take a trade. I just went to the gym after work. I was like, let me go, put on some muscle, get stronger, so that, yeah, I mean, I can handle y'all's love, because you guys love me so much. I just wanna be able to handle that love. That's why I'm lifting now. So, well, back to lifting. But anyway, let me show you guys what happened on USDJPY first, and then we'll go to Nasdaq. Alright, so here on USDJPY, we can see that the market did exactly what I thought it was gonna do, right? It broke above, it retested. You see, this is why we don't trade this, but we do look for something like this. And it did give me an entry signal here. It's just that I was not on the charts yesterday. This was around 4 p.m. yesterday. But it goes to show that the strategy works, and the strategy is good, and it's real, Yeah, let's go to Nasdaq and see what's going on at Nasdaq. So let me go to the 4 hour, because the 4 hour is much more clear. So Nasdaq broke above this level here that we were actually looking at. It broke above. So right now we're just gonna wait for the pullback during the day, and then the continuation with buys. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna be looking out for on the Nasdaq. If that happens around New York, that would be amazing. So yeah, all right, W's though. Hi guys, welcome back. It is the next day. It is a Thursday morning. It is currently 6 o'clock, and I just wanted to give you guys an update on what is going on the charts. Yesterday and the day before, I didn't trade. I only traded on Monday because I saw like a setup then on Monday, and then Tuesday I didn't check the charts. I did not. Even yesterday, no, yesterday I did check the charts, but they were not looking so good, so I didn't trade. So right now I'm actually about to look at what's going on with UJ and Nasdaq, because those are the main pairs that I trade. All right, let's check out what's happening. So I'm gonna start here with UJ. As you can see, not much happened actually. Like since it came back to retest on, was it yesterday or the day before? I don't even remember when it came back to retest this level, and it's been like playing around ever since. It hasn't like given us like strong movement. All right, and then when it comes to the Nasdaq, I'm still waiting for the same thing. I'm waiting for it to pull back to this level or to break and retest and continue with buys. That's basically it on the charts. But yeah, that is all for me for this morning. Let me finish my tea and then get ready for work, because I have to be there at 7:30. Alright guys, welcome back. I am tired, bro. We were playing soccer today and I just want to shower and sleep right now. It is currently 8:30 at night, so I want to show you guys, I want to give you guys an update on what happened on the market. I was not able to get an entry, but I want to show you guys what I'm looking out for. Yeah, this. So you can see here on Nasdaq that this level here, this level was used here as support, and then the market bought, and then support here, and a nice support there. So I'm actually expecting the market to pull back to this level and then continue and give us buys from here. Otherwise, I'm not really looking to trade Nasdaq. Plus tomorrow is a Friday. Most likely I'm not gonna trade. I don't know, it's gonna depend. It's gonna depend. If I get this opportunity in the morning, I might take the trade. But if it happens around like afternoon and stuff, because it's a Friday, I don't like to hold over the weekend, I'm not gonna take that trade. But with UJ, let me show you guys. Remember I showed you guys this, but I did not take the trade. Like, I just put this now as I was analyzing. Remember I told you that the market gave us a pullback to this level, and we're actually expecting the market to continue with buys. So yeah, it actually did buy nicely, it did push nicely up, and you can see that the analysis is always on point. It's just sometimes lack of execution or not being on the market or active on the market. And that is honestly my biggest problem, the fact that I'm not on the market as much as I'd like to be. It's because I work. Number one, it's because I work, and number two is because like I'm really on my phone. Like even when I'm vlogging, like I forget to vlog certain moments because I'm really on my phone, So yeah, I think that is all for today. We will come back to the charts tomorrow, and then I'll show you guys whether I'm gonna take the trade in the morning or not. If it doesn't happen in the morning, I'm not trading. If it doesn't happen before 12, then I'm not trading. But if it happens that I get an entry around 9, 10, then definitely I'll try to enter the market. But I'll also be cautious, so I'm gonna use a smaller lot size. But yeah, I will see, because tomorrow's a Friday. We'll see. Maybe we might see the market on Monday. Yeah, this is. I just finished working on my chess, practiced my opening. I played, a couple games, which went really well. By the way, I was able to film one of the reviews. But yeah, that is all for my week. I will see you again on the next episode. Get out of here.